testing, testing. Cool, I think the mic is working. Hello, good morning, or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. We're doing more Google interview questions today. We have been doing some lately. I'm going down the list. We've done adjacent increasing subarrays detection 1 and 2 last time. I see a new one though. I think the list has been updated since last time. I don't think we've done max frequency element. Yeah, okay. Leetcode 3346. Yeah, I think the list has been updated since last week. Leetcode 3346. Yeah, I definitely have not done this before. Okay, maximum frequency of an element after performing operations 1. Also fantastic, it's a medium question. No. You are given an integer array nums and 2 integers k and num operations. 2 integers k. Wait, what? You are given an integer array nums and 2 integers k and num operations. You must perform an operation num operation times on nums, which, when in each operation u, select an index I that is not selected in any previous operations, okay? Add an integer in the range -k, k, okay, to nums I. Return the maximum possible frequency of an element in nums after performing the operations. Okay. So in this one, we have k operations. Wait, no, k is 1, so we have -1 to 1. Num operation is 2. So there's no way from 1 to get to anywhere close to this, right? But we can probably get 5 and 5 here, maybe. Return the maximal possible frequency of any element in nums. So it's 2. We can get the elements 2 from each other. Okay. You must perform... Oh, okay. So we must add something to each number. Adding 0 to nums 1. Adding -2. Wait, what? Adding 0 to nums 1, okay. What about this one though? Oh, okay, 2 times, 2 times. We just do it 2 times, okay. Example 2, num operations 1. Okay, they keep giving us really easy examples. K is 5. What do we do here? Adding 0 to nums 1. So it's literally just these two? Okay. How the heck do we do this? Let me check something real quick, by the way. Okay. Yeah, how in the world? Okay, let's think about the brute force way, right? How can we do this? I mean, we know k is 5 to -5. What if we just straight up brute force? What's the brute force solution? We add... Wait, then there's so much combinations. K is between 0 and 10 to the 5. There's no way we can try every single combination, can we? What if k is equal to 10 to the 5? That's kind of out of the question, isn't it? Wait, this is tricky. Num operations 2. You know what? I'll set a timer. If I can't get the answer in like 15 minutes, I'll take a peek at the solution. So we'll take a peek at 45 minutes. Num operations 2. Man, this is tricky. Is there merit in going through and seeing how close the elements are to each other? For example, we have 1. We're like, okay, are there any elements close to 1? I need a hint. I'm actually pretty stumped right now. Sort the array and try each value in range as a candidate. We can actually try each value in range. Really? But it's 10 to the 5. Okay, fine. Okay, what happens if we sort... Okay, let's take a really simple example, like the first example. 1, 4, 5. Sure, let's sort it and see what happens. It's already sorted. We literally try every single value. Really? That's the hint. Sort the array and try each value in range as a candidate. So k equals 1 in this case. Really? They're telling us to literally brute force this. I mean, okay. So for 1, do we literally try -1 and 1? Really? So if k equals 5, we'll have to try 5 on every single one. That sucks, man. Oh, wait. Wait. This might not be as inefficient as I think. I was thinking we, like, for every single combination 1, we go through like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, like, k is 1, right? So -1, 0, and then 1. And then for each 3, we check. We try each of the other values. Oh, okay, I'm starting to see it. So no, we don't try. It's not like... It's not like we try like k elements here, and for each k element, try k elements here, so it's like k squared. And then this is like k cubed. No. We can literally try. It's like individually. It's not multiplication, it's plus. Oh, return the maximum possible frequency of any element in nums after performing the operations. I see. So we literally, in 1, we add -k to k, and then we track the frequency of each of the numbers in a hash map. Yeah, okay. And then we go here, and then we track every possible number. We add -k to k to 4, and then we track the frequency of each sum in a hash map again. And then in the end, we sort the values of the hash map, and that should give us the max frequency. Yeah, all right. So the algorithm is we go through every single... Hold on, why do we need to sort though? Sort the array and try each value. Okay, I don't see the value of sorting the array though. Try each value in range as a candidate. What's the use of sorting the array? Does it help us? Try each value in range as a candidate. I mean, from a human intuitive standpoint, we should probably add bigger numbers to the front, right? And maybe subtract numbers from the end. Does that help us? You know what? Let's go with the hash map method first. Wait, sort the array and try each value in range. as a candidate. Gabriel says yellow. Hello. How you doing? Maximum frequency of an element after performing operations 1. I am struggling on this question. Okay, my current thought is we go from start to end. I mean, the hint is literally sort the array and try each value in range as a candidate. My thought is we go through each element in the array and then add negative k to k to it, and then track the occurrence of each number of each sum in a hash map, and then we sort the values of the hash map at the end. And yeah, and then return the max value. That's n time. Wait, we go through the array once, n, and then we sort it, n log n. That's n log n time. Okay, another thought I had was, you know that previous problem where we found the max overlapping? We did a problem in the past where we found the max overlapping intervals, right? Could this be like true for this case too? So let's do the same example, 1, 4, 5, right? Our intervals are 1 minus k, comma, to 1 plus k, you know? Oh, I'm starting to see a pattern here. And then another interval is 4 minus k to 4 plus k. And then 5 minus k to 5 plus k. You know what? I'm starting to see a pattern here. So according to the algorithm for finding the max overlapping intervals, we literally put them in a start array. We sort them into a start array and end array. And then, you know, whenever we process them in order, whenever we come across a start array, we increase our overlapping count, and whenever we come across an end array, we decrease our overlapping count. And in the end, we return the max overlapping count. Huh. That sounds like a plan to me. So what would this be? We put them all into a array n plus what? N log n. It's still n log n because we sort them. But I feel like it's way more efficient than trying every single k. Yeah, okay. You can do like 10 to the 5 operations. Oh, I have no idea if this is gonna work. Max overlapping intervals. I feel like this would work. Return the maximum frequency of any element in nums. Well, yeah, this is pretty much like find max frequency, find max, you know, overlapping intervals. Okay, you know what? I'll try this. I'll convert all this into ranges, intervals, and then I'll find the maximum number of overlapping intervals using a start and end array. Okay, that's what I'll do. It's a little complicated, but I think it will work. Yeah. I will use what I learned in the past. Okay. Whew. How many nums are there? So int interval starts is equal to new int with length nums.length. Okay. Then int interval end is equal to new int nums.length also. And then for every single int num in nums. Is my screen too small right now? No, I think it's fine. I basically form intervals with them and then add them into interval starts and ends as necessary. So maybe it's more useful to track the index here so I know where to add them in. So int I is equal to 0. These are all not needed anymore. While I is less than nums.length I plus plus. Interval starts I is equal to, well, let's extract out the current num first. Int num, the current number is equal to nums I. Interval starts I is equal to num minus k. Yeah. Interval ends I is equal to num plus k. Yeah, that's the end of the interval and start of the interval. Okay. Okay, I think we need a sanity check. It's gonna be really hard to tell what's wrong if we do anything else and this happens to be wrong. So we'll print out both interval starts and ends. Arrays.toString interval starts stem.out.println. Realize I could have copied and pasted the previous line, but it's too late now. And then as a bogus return value, we'll return -1. Okay, k is 1, so 0 to 2, yes. 4 minus 1 plus 1, yes. 5 minus 1 plus 1, yes. Here k is 5, so 5, the range is 0 to 10, 11, 6 to 16, yeah, okay. 15 to 25, okay. Very cool. And then we just have to figure out of all these ranges, what's the max overlapping intervals? Yeah. Ho. Okay. So first we'll have to sort these arrays. Arrays.sort interval starts. And then arrays.sort interval ends. And then we'll try to process them in order. Yeah. Now we'll need 2 pointers at each interval start and interval end. So int start pointer is equal to 0. Int end pointer is equal to 0. Okay, so how do you do this? While I think I'll just check if either of them are inbounds. If either of them still have numbers left, then we'll keep on processing. So if start p is less than starts.length or end pointer is less than the ends.length, then we keep processing the interval numbers. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, what do we do here? We'll get the current start and current end. Yeah, okay. int interval start is equal to the current start interval start is equal to interval ends np. Okay, we gotta be careful here though, because one of them could be out of bounds, so we need to check for that. If the current pointer is greater than or equal to, basically if it's out of bounds, if it's greater than or equal to the length of the array, then we should return just integer.max value. We'll always process the least one first because we're going in order. Max underscore value. Same for the end. If the end pointer is greater than or equal to interval ends dot length, then interval ends, well, then you just return integer dot max underscore value so that we don't ever use this value. And then we do interval ends. Yeah, okay. So if the start is less than the end, should we do less than or equal to the end? Sure, why not? Sure, let's just try that first. But yeah, what happens if they start? If an interval starts and ends at the same time? You know what, let's just run with less than for now. Sure, okay. If start is less than the end, so we need to keep track of our number of overlapping intervals too. So num overlapping intervals. Man, these variable names are way too long, but I think it's clear. And then max overlapping intervals. It's equal to 0. Wait, yeah, what actually happens if a interval starts and ends at the same time? Do they just cancel each other out? Are we allowed to have the same numbers? We are, right? We have 2020 here. Maybe if it doesn't work out, I'll add another case where start is equal to end, which is pop both. Yeah, okay. So anyways, if there's a start, then we do start plus plus. We increment the start pointer. And then we do num overlapping intervals plus plus. And then we update the max overlapping intervals is equal to math.max, the current maximum overlapping intervals compared with the current number of overlapping intervals. Okay. And then else, meaning start is yeah, if the end is greater than the start, end is less than the start, meaning we have an interval that's ending num overlapping intervals minus minus. Yeah. I feel like to be safe, we should update the overlapping intervals at the end. Yeah. And then the end pointer plus plus, start pointer plus plus. And then we return the maximum number of overlapping intervals. Okay. I feel like there's a chance this isn't gonna work. So let's print out which number we're actually processing. Yeah, okay. And out.println start, and then we'll print out the start. And then when we're processing the end of an interval, we'll print out the end and then the end. Okay. Man, I sure hope this works, but it probably will not, but that's okay. We will keep iterating. Illegal startup type 51. Ah, this is in the wrong spot. It's supposed to be in the function run. Gurisramsin says finally. Oh hey Gurisran. Wait, oh, I remember you. It's pronounced Gursimran, right? Gursimran. Hello. How you doing? Long time no see. Okay. Error. Class interface enum a record expected. Okay, there has to be a syntax error. Hello. How you doing? Okay, I have a syntax error somewhere. I don't know where it is though. Oh no. Do I have an extra parenthesis somewhere? Yeah, this is extra, isn't it? This one belongs to that. This one belongs to this. Oh, I see, I see. I see it, okay. Gershon says, I always join your stream when you are saying bye. Oh no. That kind of sucks. You are missing a semicolon? Where? I thought I was just missing it. Well, I thought I just had a extra semicolon. Okay. That's really good though. We are passing one case. Let's see why this case isn't passing. This is a good sign though. This is a good sign. I feel like it has to do with we have repeating numbers here, right? It has to be why. Okay, so these are all of our start. So start 0, start 6, and 10. Start 15, start 15. I can't see any of our counts here. Output is 3 expected to. So we're really close. We're actually really close. So I think this method has some merit to it. Maximum possible frequency of any element in nums after performing the operations. Gershon says, bro, for real, I wanted to see you grind Leetcode, but whenever, from the Google coding part 4, I guess, it can't be so consistent that I always hear you saying bye. Well, I appreciate you wanting to tune into me. That's pretty nice of you. Welp, I guess I'm pretty consistent. I literally always start my streams at around 9 o'clock a.m. my time, and then I end at around 10:30 to 11 o'clock a.m. Yeah. Okay, this literally tells me nothing. It's 12 a.m. India. Dang, bro, your classes last that long until nighttime? Low Hit says, why Java? Oh, that's just the language that I'm more familiar with. I used it in my last job, and yeah, I learned it in school too, so I'm more familiar with it. Okay, we need to print out the number of overlapping intervals. Something going off there. Print ln num overlapping intervals. Okay, and then intervals. Hopefully this will tell us something. Okay, this is getting kind of messy. So we start at 0, okay. 0 interval starts, 6 starts, okay. 10 ends, so 1. Start 15, yeah. Start 15, which is 3. Return the maximum possible frequency of any element in nums after returning the operations. Wait, yeah, so 15, 15. Wait, yeah, the answer is 3, isn't it? I feel like it's... Oh. Wait. Does our range shrink after each one? Negative 8k to nums I. Return... Select an index I that was not selected. Add an integer in the range. Okay, no. Our ranges should be good. Simran says, I lost motivation to grind, bro. Oh, wait, you wrote something below. Sounds important. Oh no, chat is scrolling too fast. Let me paste what you wrote here. It's gonna be easier for me to read. Okay, bro, I gave Amazon intern OA. My resume got selected, but I effed up because there was a stupid bitwise Zor DP backtracking shit question. I couldn't solve both. No, I hate big questions, man. Wait, they actually gave you a bit question. Really? I never studied for big questions because I thought they would never give us those. DP backtracking can be hard too. Dang. Dang, that's some bad luck, man. Getting a big question in an interview. An intern interview too. That's really effed up, man. Why would they do this to you? Oh man, that really sucks, man. Sorry. Return the maximum possible frequency of any element in nums. Okay, I think the problem with my algorithm right now is that I forgot to take into account that I only have a limited number of operations, num operations 2. Does that mean my intervals can... Oh no. Does that mean I can only have so many intervals? I definitely can't have... So for example 2, I definitely cannot have 4 intervals existing at the same time. Ooh, that's tough, man. Okay, so my My algorithm works if we have infinite number of operations, right? But it clearly doesn't work for this. How do we take care of that? Oh no, my chat is scrolling too fast. Okay. It was online assessment too. Okay. Lohit says, how often do you do this? I do this almost every day right now. I'm probably gonna stop when I finally land a job though. It was like we had to find an X, which is a XOR of some subsequence of some element, a subset of L to R, which is like for every subset plus XOR, some sliding window too. I don't even understand that question, man. Online assessment. No. Online assessment. Man, that really sucks. Alright guys, you know what? I'm pretty stumped on this question. My algorithm works if we have an infinite number of operations, but we can only have some at the same time, which beats me, you know? Wait. There must be some way we can... Us, bro, us. My peers got like number of islands in an interview. Oh, I got roasted in online assessment. No. That sucks, man. It's okay, man. I failed a lot of online assessments too in my time. Very not fun. You gotta fail some to win some, you know? Alright, I am stumped as heck on this question. Time to look at some solutions. Hopefully I was close. And there is no editorial for this. Fantastic. Right, even they couldn't figure out how to do this. Huh. Okay, my first thought is, since my solution works for like infinite number of operations, can I just take the max of my, or the min of my max overlapping intervals? This one? 2663 question is too hard. Oh, 2663. Can I just take the min of my max overlapping intervals plus, and... Oh, wait. Wait a minute. 10,000... Hold on. So, oh man, the max number of overlapping intervals can be at most num operations at the same time. I think I'm onto something here. Big stepper. Underground method. That was 2663. Man, I feel like I'm really close on this one. I'm just missing like a parameter. Oh, whoops. Not now. Oh. I did this last week too, but I barely remember how to do this. Was this in my 2663? Hold on. Was this in my notes to review? 266, yeah. Oh my goodness, this is a double star question for me. I star questions if it's really, really hard. Okay, I have a... I think I have a... There should be a way I can convert this algorithm I have right now to work with this. So there's a num operations thing, right? What if I just track, instead of tracking every single interval, it's a top Google question too? Yeah, it is. I definitely saw on the list. Hold on. 2663. 2663. Where are you? Here, yeah. It's the top Google hard question. No. My clock keeps resetting. It's fine. Okay, you know what? I'm stumped. Let's take a look at some solution. This is in C++ apparently. Guru Simran says, bro, did you solve today's streak question? The one which appears when you click that fire next to your profile. Oh, no, I haven't. I didn't even actually know that that was a thing. Okay. Let us... Oh. Okay. Let's take a look at some solutions. Java, 2 cases. Okay, sure. Sliding window. Is it hard? Is today's really hard? Find the power of k-size subarrays. Oh, that sounds hard as heck. Maybe after I do this current question. Okay, we sort it first. We do sliding window, suitable ranges of numbers, hash map, frequency counting. Okay. Do we literally count every occurrence of every number? Your response says, okay, I'll wait. Wait, there's no guarantee I'll actually try this though. What if I'm too tired after doing this? Okay, we sort all the numbers. We count literally every single number. Why? Okay. We start from... Okay, everything is 0 at first, sure. For every single A in A, okay, while J is less than N, what is N? A dot length, okay. And what are we doing with J? While J is less than N, okay, while it's inbounds and AJ is less than or equal to A plus K. Okay. Okay, so we're finding all the numbers that are in range from me. Gershman says, Chet isn't your real name, right? Nope, not my real name. It's my YouTuber name. Okay, I see what they're doing here. Sure, okay. They're finding all the integers to the right that are in range or less than A plus K. Okay. Count output. What is count? Oh, hash map. Count output AJ, count dot getter default. Okay, sure. J++. Next, they're saying how many integers are less than a minus k. Okay. Or less than a minus, why not greater than a minus k? Why less than a minus k? Okay, so we're counting that too. Current is equal to math.min j minus I. What are they doing here? Someone needs to explain to me. Wait, this actually makes sense to people? What? Okay, there's an explanation here. Case 1, focusing on existing elements. Okay, this case tries to maximize the frequency of a number that's already present in the array. Okay, case 2, creating a new target value. This case explores the possibility of making several numbers equal to a value that might not initially exist in the array. Range is a plus k plus k. Why is it a plus k plus k? Oh, because other people could minus k, right? Okay, sure. What I don't understand is, why is it less than a minus k? Why less than? The current number is less than a minus k. Why less than? I don't get it here. Case 2. Okay, case 2 is while ai plus k is less than aj. Reified says hi because array is sorted. Oh, wait. Array is sorted. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, Reified, by the way. How you doing? Hold on, so let's say we have like, I don't know, our digits are like 1, 2, 4, 6. A minus k. Each element can be change value and range v minus k minus v, wait, v minus k to v to v plus k. Oh, wait, they're decreasing the count here. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, nothing too much to complain about, to be honest. Yeah, exciting things are coming up. I'm scheduling more battles with VTubers. Okay, they're getting count a. So if the current element is less than a minus k, that means it's not in range. Okay, sure. And then we subtract the counts. All right. That seems kind of roundabout, but Why don't they just do like one loop here? Like for every single element in A, if it's less than or equal to, if it's between these two ranges, then we increment it. You know, why do we have to do this? Okay, I think I understand what they're doing here though. And then case 2, they're trying to make, I guess they're simulating like me, the current number, adding to its current limit, and also another number subtracting to its least limit. For I equal to 0, j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. So, okay, if the current number plus 2k is less than aj, then I plus plus. Yeah, if it's still less than aj, then I guess you would need to keep going, I guess. And then else, result is equal to math.max. Result, comma math.min. Holy, what are they doing here? J minus I plus 1. J minus I plus 1, the indices. What? Oh, I know. Okay, so while j can still add to me, so while the current number can still add to me somehow, j plus plus, and then you add the number of elements between j and I. Okay. That's your solution, or num operations. It gives the length of the window. I see. Okay. Okay, this is starting to make sense to me. What are they doing here? Current is equal to math.min, j minus I. What the heck is current? Oh, the current best answer. J minus I. Wait. Oh, okay. Do we use count anywhere after this? I'm so confused. Why are we maintaining a count of everything here? Oh, we do. Okay. Oh, they're maintaining a range too, so j plus plus. Well, j, okay. So they're doing 2 pointers. They're incrementing I until it's just equal to a minus k. And then j is at the rightmost boundary at a plus k. Okay. Got you. And then the current best answer is the size between j minus j and I. Okay, sure. And then count.get our default a. 0 plus num operations. Got you. Okay. I see what they're doing here. Okay. Are you sure there's not a more elegant way of doing this? There has to be a more elegant way of doing this, right? J minus k, or the count of a, comma 0 plus num operations. Wait a minute, what are they doing here? I don't get it. Gersman says IDK Bros Java is kinda... I mean, yeah, I feel like I may have talked to this a lot with Preify actually. Python is, you can do a lot with very few lines of code. But I'm not gonna relearn a whole language while I'm already interviewing, you know, for jobs. It seemed kind of a not a wise decision. Maybe in the future I'll relearn Leetcode in Python, but for now I think this is the right choice to stick to Java. What am I gonna do during the transition phase, you know, when I'm not good at either language and I'm still interviewing for jobs? Python is like 15 minutes of prep. 15 minutes of prep. Really? I really don't know whether to believe that, you know. But then trying to get used to a new coding language is tough, and I have to write it really fast during interviews. Okay, what in the world are they doing here? Get or default AJ. Count output. Okay, so we're counting every single element as we come across it too. Okay, so the answer is the min of the current range or get or default A, which is the current number, you stick your Java if you like it, but sometimes the code length can make people anxious. Oh yeah. Yeah. I can't disagree with that. Why don't you try to look other people's solutions? Oh, I am. This is another person's solution. Frequency of number that's already present in the array, range a minus k, a plus k. I don't understand what they're doing here. They're getting the count of the current number plus the number of operations. Why number of operations? What problem is this? Oh, this is Leetcode 3346. Like other people, not this one. Yeah, maybe. Simple sliding window approach. They always say it's simple. Oh, why is the writing so long? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, hash map to store the frequency of each number in the sorted array. Okay. Sure. For every number in nums, count.put num, count.get or default num0. Okay. We literally store the occurrence of every single pure number in the array. First pass. Choose an existing number as the reference point. Int mid is equal to 0. Well, mid is less than n. Mid plus plus. N is okay. So mid is from start to end index. Move the left pointer to maintain that the difference between num's mid and num's left is less than or equal to k. Got you, okay. Okay. So we're moving the left pointer to the middle number minus k, basically. And then the right pointer is the current number plus k. Okay. Yes. Total is equal to right minus left plus 1. Yeah. The number of elements in the current range. Answer is equal to math.max of the current answer and the minimum of, oh my goodness, what is this? Total minus count. I need to look at their explanation here. First pass, using existing numbers as reference points is kind of like what the other person did too. We try to make as many elements in a contiguous subarray equal to this target by adjusting values within a given range. Yeah. Sliding windows created with left and right pointers. Yeah, we adjust left and right pointers to keep the range within K. Yeah, okay. The formula total minus count nums mid. Gurusman says, your avatar is so relaxed, but I can see the frustration in your voice. In your face? But I can see the frustration in your face. Oh, my real face. Yeah, this problem is kind of getting to me. It's not fun. Okay, total minus count nums mid. Count nums mid. The count of the middle number represents the number of elements in the window that would need adjustment to match nums mid. Okay. Oh. Red Null Bolt says, how is your study going? It's going okay. We're trying Google interview questions this week, which are really hard. Otherwise, it's fine though. I've marked down literally like half of the questions for review. Yeah, Google problem's hard. Okay, this makes more sense. This makes more sense now. So, total minus count, which is the number of elements in the window that would need readjustment to match. Okay, we take the minimum of this value and num operations. And then add count nums mid, the current frequency. Oh, got you, okay. I see. So we're trying to find the number of elements that we can adjust to get it to the midpoint, and then plus count.get nums mid. Gerson says, it's okay, bro, sometimes you can just skip some stupid questions. I don't know, I'm starting to get it though. I'm starting to get it. When do we update count here? Okay. And then second pass, we choose a non-existent number as the reference point. Mid is equal to nums left plus right. You won't get a sliding window question if you haven't solved sliding window easy questions. I feel like I'm really close to understanding this though. Give me some time. I swear I'm really close on this one. But yeah, thanks for trying to help me out though, I appreciate. Okay, I understand the first pass now. This is good explanation. Right is equal to 0. Okay, sure. Midpoint is equal to nums left plus right. Divide by 2, okay. What a weird approach, but okay. Until the midpoint falls within range, nums left, comma nums right. Why are they doing this though? Mid minus nums left, okay. Left plus plus. I think I'm going to do a combination of two cases. This one. Okay. While I plus k is less than. Well, okay. Dario says, yo, what up? Oh, hello, Dario. How you doing? Second pass. Instead of an existing number, we consider a hypothetical target value at midpoint. Okay, this approach can potentially increase frequency by creating a target that might be centrally located within a subarray. Yeah, it's sliding window. This one is more difficult to understand. We calculate the midpoint as nums left plus nums right. And it just left so that the midpoint is within k distant from both nums left and nums right. This ensures all elements have between left and right. This pass allows for flexibility in choosing a target that might maximize frequency without relying on existing elements. I am good. Yeah. Nothing much to complain about. I'll be playing Val while watching today instead of pretending to work. Oh. Well, I appreciate your honesty. Playing Valorant is fine though. Using a non-existing number as a reference point. This approach can potentially increase frequency by creating a target that might be more centrally located within a subarray. Okay. Move the left pointer until the midpoint falls within range. Nums left, nums right. While mid minus nums left is greater than k, or nums right minus mid is... Oh. Oh, shoot. Okay. I think I understand what they're doing now. They're not moving both left and right pointers. They're moving just the left pointer. I see. They're starting at the right. Oh, okay. They're starting at the right and then moving the left until they get 2k spaces between. I see what they're doing. And then the answer is equal to the current answer, max of the current answer, and mat.min. And the min between right minus left plus 1 and num operations. Okay. I see. And we don't need to account for the number already existing. Because apparently it doesn't already exist. Okay. Move the left pointer until the midpoint falls within range. Okay, how do we guarantee that the midpoint isn't a real number in the array though? Until the midpoint falls within range. Okay. Okay. I think I see what they're doing though. Okay, I think I'm gonna start coding the solution again. So once again, first pass, choose an existing number as a reference point. We move our left pointer to the left and right pointer to the right as far as we can go. And then see how many. Marissa says, hello. Hey Marissa, how you doing? Okay, total is equal to right minus left plus 1. Okay. And then you see how many elements fit the current range, but you also have to take into account the number of operations you can take and the number of elements that already exist. Okay, let's do the first pass first. I understand this. Okay. Okay. So this overlapping intervals was kind of sad. Okay, so first let's start simple. Let's count. Playing SSBU again after IDK how long? What is SSBU? SSBU. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Very cool. I sometimes play that with friends. I'm not very good at it though. Okay, first let's count the frequency of each number. So we'll have a count hash map integer count is equal to new hash map. Okay, and then for every int num in nums, we'll do count dot put the current count plus 1. So count dot get or default. We'll get the current num plus default 0. And the key is the current num. Okay, let's do a sanity check. Let's print out what our counts hash map is. I usually play Dark Samus, or Riley sometimes, others such as Mr. Game and Watch or Corin, but mainly those 3. Oh, very cool. I used to play some Samus too, but I think nowadays, again, I don't play too much, but nowadays I use Captain Falcon. Yeah, I often just jump around in the stadium and then spam B up. He's pretty agile. He can like go places very easily in the air. But yeah, he has a lot of aerial moves that allow him to move in the air. There's like down B as well, up B. Yeah, he's pretty fun. And there's the Falco Punch. Okay, let's print out a current hash map. So for int for the current int key in count. Let's call this count to make it more readable. Count dot key set system dot out dot println. Let's print the current key plus the count. Count dot get key. Okay, baby steps at a time. we have no return value to. Let's return -1. Count stop put. Okay, 1, 4, 5. Very good. 20 is 2, 5, 11. Okay, very nice. Okay, next up, for every single number in nums, we extend its a left boundary and right boundary as far as possible. And then we try to count oh, this depends on if it's sorted too, right? Yeah, so we sort it first, we count we extend its left and right boundary as far as we can go, and then we figure out how many we can afford to make, basically. I can only hear the Falcon Punch voice and Falco's voice anymore. Falcon Punch. Okay, let's sort nums. So arrays.sort nums. Let's do another sanity check. Let's make sure that still works. 22, 5, 11. Okay, very cool. All right, and for every single number again, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums.length, I plus plus. Okay, again, we extend a left and right boundary as far as possible, right? And then we count how many numbers within the range we can afford to make with our num operations. Okay, so we have an int left is equal to I so far, and int right is equal to I. Extend left and right bounds. Okay, we doing something. While left I. How do we do this? While nums I minus left I is less than k, then left minus minus. I feel like that's what we have to do. I might double check the answer. Because won't we go overboard for the bounds? And then while nums I, well, nums right minus nums I is also less than k. Right plus plus. Aren't we going to go out of bounds with this? Let me check what I did during the solution. Mid. Left is 0, right is 0. Mid is minus nums down left is greater than k. Okay. Right is less than or equal to k right plus plus. I feel like this works, right? This should work. Well, it's less than or equal to k, I suppose. Sure, okay. And then left also has to be greater than or equal to 0 as well. And then the right has to be less than, has to be in bounds too. So nums.length. Okay. I feel like we need another sanity check here. System.out.println. We'll print out the current number. Okay. Current plus left. Well, nums I. And then we'll print out the range plus left plus. Okay. Run. Oh. Nums left. Run. Okay. This is a problem, isn't it? 1, -1, and then 1. Should we literally just, like, left plus plus after the end? Right minus minus? That's like the human intuitive way of doing it. Okay, range of 1 is 0, 0. This is 1, 2. Yeah, okay. 2, 1. Okay, cool. 5 is 0, 0. 11 is 1, 1. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Nice. Okay, cool. This is nice. And then we figure out which, how many can we afford to make? Yeah, okay. It's inclusive, so int so right minus left plus 1 is equal to the number of that number we can make. Okay, we need to budget in how many of it actually exists too. Wait, there's factors like how many already exist and also the number of ops we can make. Hold on, how do they do this again? The current answer, the total we can make minus the count.get. Plus count.get nums mid. Wait, I don't get it. What are they doing here? Total minus count.get. The number of elements in the window that we would need adjustment to match. Oh, okay. Got you, okay. So this is the maximum number that can exist, I suppose. And the number that we can actually make is equal to the number that can exist minus the number that already exists. So counts.get or default. It should already exist, right? Counts.get the current nums I and min that with the number of operations we can make. So math.min what's the variable called? Min operations or num operations? Num operations. Okay, can exist minus counts.get okay. I feel like this is more readable. So the amount that we want to make is the number that can exist minus the count that already exists. Okay. And then int the number that we can make is equal to math.min, the number that we want to make, and the number that we can make, which is num operations. And the int max frequency is equal to math.max, wait, the ones that we can make plus the number that already exists. Oh man, it's getting kind of complicated. Okay, and then we track the best answer. Int result is equal to 0. So result is equal to math.max of the current result and the current frequency of the current number. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's run this. Oh yeah, we return result, right? So result, current frequency. Let's also print out the result. Print ln. Okay, I can feel that we're getting there. We have one more pass after this. Result is 2. Result is 2. Okay, we're on the right track. Okay, hey look, it works, woo. We need one more pass though. Okay, this is pretty encouraging though. All the test cases pass. Okay. What's the second pass again? I already forgot. We choose a non-existing number as the reference point. Okay, we choose a right. I will go like 3 minutes or so, but I leave the stream on because I promised my sister something. Yeah, no worries. All good. Yeah, no need to apologize for that. Everything is good. I'm probably gonna leave soon too after I do that. My mind is already breaking from this. Okay. What do we need the midpoint for? It's a track if... Yeah, okay. It's to track if... Yeah, it's track the left range and the right range are within K from it, right? Falls within range left, right. Okay. Why the left pointer though? Of all the pointers. Oh, okay. So the right just starts at the current number, and then left starts at 0, and then we just slowly bring it in until it's within range. Okay, sure. Merce says goodbye. Oh, see ya. Good luck with whatever you're doing. Okay. What if we have two things that are the same though? I guess that wouldn't matter, right? Because we're always taking the max of our numbers anyways. Okay, that's fine. I think I like how they did it over here more. So for every I, while the current one is less than, it boiled my brain, bro. Gersaron. Enough. Move on. Wait, Gersaron, we're so close though. We're actually so close. Fine, I'll try to do the next one really fast. I'll straight up like... Okay. So 4 is equal to 0. No, let's call this the... Alright, for Gersaron, I will try to do this fast. I literally have this next to me. Okay. Into left is equal to 0. And let's do int right is equal to 0. Okay, so while the right is... Oh, they're literally doing the same thing. Okay. While the right is less than the length, Gersaron is in pain. Thanks for sticking with me, buddy. Right, plus plus. Okay. While num's left. Okay, so they're just slowly bringing the left boundary in until it's in range. Okay. Hats off, like really, for the dedication, bro. Thank you. We're actually really close though, we're really close. Nums left. Plus k plus 2 times k is less than nums right. Yeah, if it's within range like that, or not within range. Then the left, bring the left in. And the result hold on. Oh. Okay. And then the result is equal to math.max, the current result, with math.min, right, minus the left, plus 1, minned with num operations. Okay. Is left and right defined outside? Yeah, it is. Okay. Run. Please work. Time limit exceeded. Okay, we're on the right track then. That means we need to get rid of all of our print statements. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Okay, that's not good. Wait, I pressed the wrong button. Time limit exceeded? Yeah. Wait, we need to do some more comparing again. No. Okay. No, bro, I quit. No. Hang in there, Gurusram, we're so close. Okay. We have array.sort, yes. Hash tab to store the frequency of each number. Nums 0 plus 1. Okay, good. Okay, now the for loop. Choose an existing number. Okay. What I do notice though is that they start left and right from 0. Okay. Would that be better? I can't imagine why that would be better though. They do all this in one line though. I can't imagine how much faster that would be though. Curious one is straight up crying. Current result. This sliding window. Total. +1. Can exist with the current I. Num operations count dot get num's I. Run this. Cannot find zipable counts. Oh, counts. Okay, accepted. What about this one, the second pass? How to unalive myself? Is it the second part that's getting us? If we comment this out and we submit it, will it time out as well? Or will it just get wrong answer? Wrong answer. Okay. So it's the second part that's getting us. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have to optimize this part. Left, right, 0. Right is less than nums.length, right plus plus. We keep decreasing left plus plus. Okay, let's try the midpoint method actually. Midpoint is equal to, straight up copy this. You know what? Screw it. Let's literally try their code. Okay. Okay, yes, this is the midpoint. Okay, while the midpoint, the first good decision in this stream. Mid left, mid right, minus mid, left plus plus. Okay, right. So keep increasing the left until the midpoint is within range of k and k within the left and right. Run. Oh wait, this is the result. Cannot find symbol. Result. Accepted. Time limit exceeded. What? Okay, I swear to... Wait. I literally have the same solution as them. Why? What if I straight up just copy their solution here? I swear to God, if this times out too, I'm gonna be so mad. Why? How? Hold on, we need to compare my solution to them. I'm not sitting down until I find out what's wrong with this. Hold up. Okay, arrays.sort. That should be the same time. Hash map. Looks like no system design today. Yeah, maybe not. I have to go real soon. For num and nums, count stop put. Okay, yeah. That should be the same time. Result is equal to 0. Sure. Okay. Mid is equal to 0 while mid is less than n. Yeah. They're starting their left and right at 0 though. I'm starting at I. I think this should be faster actually even. They're literally starting at 0. Move the pointer to maintain the difference. Okay. Sure. And then this is the same. Does it actually make a difference if we start them at 0? Let's try. Left is 0, right is 0. And then move the left pointer and right pointers. Okay. I definitely have to redo this in a future stream. This is actually ridiculous. Okay, so this is I. Okay, move them into place. Guri's mom says, bro, I'm no homo, I swear, but your voice is so sweet. I've rarely seen people who have this kind of patience. Really? Thanks, I appreciate. Right less than n minus 1. Okay, so right is basically in range. Right is less than n minus 1. Okay, sure. What's n here? Thanks, Garisran. And nums, right plus 1. Okay. Nums length minus 1. Nums right plus 1 minus nums I less than k right plus plus. Okay. Let's run this thing. Okay. Does it actually make a difference to start left and right from the 0 spots? No. What's taking so long? What is actually taking so long? This is definitely end time. No, why? Am I printing out anything still? Okay, no, I'm not. I think there is no I++, I don't know. No I++. There's a mid++ here. Second pass. First pass. Holy. Okay. Let's move into left, right, outside. Let's make sure this still works. Compiler 38. Ah. There's no I++. The first one is dying in the chat. Okay, what happens if I straight up just paste their first pass here? Okay, guys, we can find out if it's the first pass or the second pass that's messing us up. If we paste the first pass here and it's still messing us up, that means it's the second pass. Run. Oh, unless of course. They don't know what n is, right? Okay. Int n is equal to nums length. Please, do it. Cannot find simple. Fine, now let's change this to ands. 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 Ands, ands, ands. Do we have to change this to counts too? Sure, count. 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 All right. Okay, submit. What? What? I don't understand what went wrong. Our code is literally the same. It doesn't make any sense. What is actually the difference between our code? Mid minus nums left. Hold on. Let us control. So it's the first part. It's the first loop that's getting us. I have no idea why though. Okay. This is before we pasted it in. Nums I. What is your tech stack? Hold on, before that. Hold on. I swear I will figure this out. Why? どうしてこんな遅いですか? This makes 0 sense. Okay, let's analyze this very carefully, guys. We go from 0 to n. Yes. While nums I minus nums left is greater than k, then left plus plus. Oh, that was Japanese. I'm very bad at Japanese. While right is less than nums length minus 1 and, okay. Can exist. Okay, hold on. So it's in range, yes. And nums right plus 1 minus nums I is less than or equal to k right plus plus. Can exist. Total is equal to right minus left plus 1. result is equal to it looks exactly the same to me. Literally exactly the same to me. Guys, I really don't know. I really don't know what's the difference between our code. But it has to do with the first part. Damn, bro, you are talented as F. No. Wait a minute. Hold on. Is it because we set left and right to 0 at everything? Oh. Oh, wait. Do they ever reset left and right here? Oh, our left and right was inside here. Oh, shoot. Do they ever reset the left and right? No, they don't. Left and right is set outside here. So we're doing it from scratch every time, basically? Oh, they move the left and right pointer very minimally every time. God damn it. They move the left and right pointer only a little bit every time. We start from the beginning every time. No. That's it. That's why we're so slow. We reset left and right every time. They only move it a little bit at each iteration. Okay. Wait, there's a way you can test this out too. Okay, so if we submit this is the right answer. It should give us submit. Yeah, okay. So what we were doing in the past was we were resetting it to 0 every time. Left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0. So we're resetting the left and right pointers every time. And this should give us timeout. Timeout? Yeah, okay. I figured it out. That was our issue. I figured it out. We were resetting left and right every iteration. We actually could maintain them, but yeah, we could actually maintain them. We can just increment them little by little every time. I get it, okay. Holy, we figured it out. We figured it out. No. Okay. Problem number 3,346. Okay. This has to be a triple star problem for the first time. Jesus. Okay. We've been here for 2 hours doing one question. Okay. Okay, I'm reading chat now. Chat, you might have to retype some of your chat because it's scrolled so far now. But I see, bro, damn bro, sing me a lullaby, I can sleep to your voice. I don't know any lullabies. You want me to sing me a lullaby? Or sing you a lullaby? I literally don't know any lullabies. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm already asleep. And I received 100 messages today with restream chat. Huh. I said, can you teach me how to propose in Japanese if in future I make any group? Oh, Japanese is actually not my first language. I just get my Japanese from anime. I'm not the best person to ask that question to. My Japanese actually really sucks. I speak Chinese, by the way. I'm from Taiwan, the land of boba. That's right. We invented boba. Ayo. Yeah. That's right. You like drinking boba? It's because of us. Ha ha ha. We're responsible for all those boba tea shops everywhere. Well, I'm American-born Taiwan, I guess. My parents are Taiwanese. Yeah, we invented boba. It's like the only thing we can... What is Taiwan even known for? I know there's Taipei 101. Their food night markets are great. What is Taiwan known for? Besides being in conflict with China. What is Taiwan known for? Its cultural, natural beauty, and economic importance. You can say that for every country. Every country can claim this. Night markets, yeah, night markets. Little League baseball? Oh, okay, sure. The record for the most Little League World Series championship title. That's pretty cool, okay. Why isn't anyone mentioning boba? Yeah, Taiwan's bubble tea had become internationally famous. Thank you, yes. Yeah. Yeah, every country can literally say they have beauty and economic importance. Seafood, beef noodles, okay. Night markets, yes. Bicycles. Oh yeah, Taiwanese bicycle cultures. They rent bikes a lot. Yeah, tea and pearl milk tea. Teach us. Gersaron says, bro, do you have any girlfriend? No, I currently do not. I was in a relationship, but not now. Teach us the secret methods. I literally have no clue what to teach. Just, I don't know, just interact with them normally, you know? I'm not really the really forthcoming person, you know? What happened? That's private information. I'm not telling you. Sorry. I guess personalities clashed too much. We weren't very compatible. Yeah, that's the short way of saying it. I pulled up by being acoustic. Oh. This problem is pain. 44%. Who got the 100% one? Okay. I'll read this some other time. Can you make your avatar smile? My avatar literally cannot smile. I think I can make it frown though. Nah. The only way would be to Photoshop my face. Okay guys, I'm so brain fried for today. Sorry, we're not doing system design today. We literally spent 2 hours 14 minutes on one problem. Show us your hands and your butt. Okay, fine. This is my token of appreciation for sticking to the very end. Here, look at my hands. And you requested the butt. Bam. Enjoy. It's like Doraemon butter. I can't believe. I never thought I'd hear those words. It's like Doraemon but hotter. Smash. Am I gonna get banned? Okay, this is your reward for watching me for 2 hours on one question. I'm so sorry y'all had to watch me do this today, but it's the least I can do. I'm making this my homepage. Everybody's like, thanks. Okay, I'm done today. We spent 1 hour on a medium problem. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Alright. Bye everyone. Thanks for sticking with me today. I actually really appreciate it. 2 hours for one question. Jesus, that has to be a new record. Oh, I think I broke my PR for most time spent on one question. Thank you. Actually, thank you so much for sticking to the end and watching me struggle. Alright, bye guys. I'm done. My brain is actually dead.